Hello friends, welcome to Onshape art modeling tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model the feed rod bearing from the scratch. As you can see that I have already modeled it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can create it. This tutorial is designed for the beginner user, and this part is very simple, and this tutorial will help the beginner user to understand the modeling feature in Onshape. So I will close this file and create a new file, and I will show you how you can model this part. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles on mechanical engineering. Just knowing the CAD tool is not sufficient to become the good mechanical design engineer. You must have a knowledge of design principles, manufacturing process, and current trends going on in mechanical engineering. I have already published so many articles on mechanical engineering, and the best part is that you can read these articles in your own language. So here we will first create this triangular profile on a front plane. So select the plane and click on the sketch and make the front view normal. Now here I wanted to hide the plane, so I will press P from my keyboard to hide it. Now let's create our first sketch. To do that, I will create 3 circles, one on a left, one on a right, and one on a bottom, and then I will constrain it. So here this is the radius R19. So first thing, I will select all this circle and toggle to the construction. Now I will select a dimensions tool and I will give the diameter of 38, and here I will select it, this one and this one, not this one. Let's uncheck it. This and this are equal. Here is a shortcut, is a E, and now I will give the distance, select the dimension, and this is a 60, and from origin it is a 30. So I will first move the center here, and now I will provide the central dimension. So here what I have did, I have set my keyboard shortcut dimension for the 8, so I will go and modify it. So go to my account, preferences, and here I will go in a sketching, and here is a dimension. I will edit it and define the D, and now I will go to my dashboard, and I will open my part again. Now I will edit it, front view, and now dimension is a D. So now I will press the D and give it a 30, and I will draw a line to make sure that they both are the horizontal and passing through the origin, and I will make it a construction. And now from this construction line to this is a distance of 64, and now I will select this point and my origin point and add a vertical relation. Shortcut is V. So vertical relation is apply, and let's define this diameter to the 48. So here we have created three construction circles for a reference. This is for the reference, and now we will create our actual profile. So first I will draw the line which will be tangent. So here I cannot see whether this is a horizontal or not, so I will on the show constraint. So horizontal is not on, so let's make it a horizontal. And if you on this option show constraint, it will help you a lot. And now I will draw one tangent line here and one tangent line here. So let's draw the line, one at left, again select a line tool, and draw one at the right. So here you can see that tangency is not peak here. So select this and this, apply the tangent, shortcut is a T, and here tangency we can see, so we will simply go with the trim option. Let's find out where is the trim. Yes, here is a trim, shortcut is a M. Let's trim this, and here we cannot see the tangency, so we will select the both and apply the tangency. So now we have the three lines which are fully constrained, and now we will select all three circles and toggle the construction. And here is a unnecessary geometry, so I will trim it, and I will also trim this, 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 and this. So we have a fully constrained sketch, and now we will extrude it to the 13 mm. So select the sketch, click on extrude, and let's switch to the isometric and give the thickness 13 mm. So our first base feature is created, and now we will go to the next. So here we will create a circle and then we will extrude it. So for this select the face and click on the sketch, move to the front view and select a circle. So here to get the center we will project it. So let's project this arc and toggle to the construction so that we got a center. Now I will create a circle equal to our construction arc. Now let's come out of the sketch and let's create extrusion of 48 mm. Say OK. Now we will create a cut on this face. So select the sketch, make the front plane normal, select a circle. So here you can see that once I select the diameter, it giving me the center. And now here it is a reaming operation, so we will go with a minimum diameter. Select a smart dimension and give it a 28.52. Say OK. Select the sketch, click on extrude, and this time we will select the removal operation, and in a blind condition we will say it true all. Say OK. Now let's move to the next feature. Our next feature is to create this rib. So for this we will select the face and click on the sketch, move on the front, and here we will create a 3-point arc, escape arc. Now select this and this and apply the equal constraint, and now we will create a 2 vertical line and draw the rough profile with this horizontal line as well. And here is a show constraint is on, which means that this is not vertical, so I will make it vertical. And now give the dimension, so select the smart dimension, and it is 11 mm. And now we will move our sketch, and this is the origin, and select this and this and give it 5.5, so that this rib is symmetric. And now here we will project this edge and select it and toggle to the construction, and select this point and this one and apply the coincidence constraint. So we have the profile of the rib. Say OK. Now select the sketch, click on extrude, and here select the add options, and from the drop down select up to face, and merge with all and select this face. So here direction is a problem. Let's we have a selected up to face and select this. So here we can see that material addition is not working, so let's cancel it. Select the sketch and again click on extrude. First reverse it, then select up to face and select this face. So this time it is working fine. Last time some wrong face got selected. Say OK. So we have the rib here. Now we will create a triangular cut, so we will select the face and click on a sketch, and here let's project this horizontal and vertical edge. Select the line tool, select it and say OK. Now select the sketch, click on extrude, click on remove, and this case select up to face and define this face as an end condition. Say OK. So you can see that our rib is created. Now here we will create a boss of a 3 mm. So it is very simple to create. Just select the face and click on the sketch, go with the front and select a circle tool, move your mouse pointer to the arc and let's see if we can get a center. So yes, it is identifying the center. Create a circle and make both equal. Select this 2 diameter, make it equal and select a dimension, and this is of diameter 25. Say OK. Select the sketch, click on extrude and give the thickness of a 3 mm. Say OK. And now let's create a drill of 2 holes. So here simply I will go with a sketch profile because it is a plain drill hole. So select the face and create a circle. So here we have the center. You can also project the diameter and get a center. Now escape it, select these two, give the equal constraint, and this is of a drill of 11 mm. Say OK, select the sketch, click on extrude, go with the remove, and this time I am going with a through all. That is fine. You can select up to face as well. Now we have to provide the fillet of R3 because in our drawing it is mentioned fillet and round of R3. So I will select this edge and this edge and go with the fillet option, and let's define our fillet to the 3 mm. Say OK. So here fillet is created. Now let's set our model to the isometric. So this is how we have a model feed rod bearing from the scratch in Onshape, and this tutorial is for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the Onshape, and if you are learning the Onshape, then start with a simple part modeling. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time. If you like my method of teaching, then you can support me on ko-fi.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content. You can find my Ko-fi donation link in a video description. So keep supporting my work.